good morning, everyone. How y'all doing? Well, before I get to this one, I just wanted to let Joe know that it's 2-pin base, which he's blown the transistors in a couple times. It's a variable volt. Well, his power supply took a dump. So there it is. There's your new one. The good one still. Which brings me back to this. Now, I've covered up who built it. I'm not really sure if this particular builder would show mine if he had it. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. They show everybody, so but I'm not going to. No point in it. It looks like a new cabinet that somebody has had a either 1x4 mobile or could have been a 2x4. I don't know. I don't know any history on it from before. I do know that I'm supposed to put a couple blue LED fans in it, get them hooked back up. They were in there. These are really, really slow, same as these. I mean, really slow. But you don't want to change them out, so that's fine with me. Now, whoever was going to put the fans in it obviously took some stuff apart. This is like just loose. There's no ground going to it, so there wasn't any. Won't key up. There was no fuse in this. For some reason, the fuse was removed. This is pretty cool. Got a breaker here. Double protection. Sweet. Nothing wrong with that at all. I gotta glue this down just a little bit. It's come loose. I mean, things happen now. It just happens. So he wants me to change this out to blue, but I'm just gonna have to plug this and put blue over here because there's always a possibility. Well, we'll see. But I'm kind of believing that this is a little bit too long, too large. So the blue may have to go over here, and that may have to be plugged. Like I say, at first it didn't come on because it didn't have a fuse back there. But you know, this was loose here. I just soldered that back. Yeah. So told check the variable. Was told it was doing 950 watts. He wants me to check all the pills, transistors, so I don't see any indication that any are blown, so I really don't know if I am going to pull them. I will test them first. This needs to be a 43. This is just my opinion, okay? This is just my personal opinion. My personal opinion needs to be 43. That's just my opinion. Now, obviously, it's working with 4361, but that does not seem to work for me very well. So we'll have to change this out, and I ain't really sure. That could just be clear coated, and that could be 61 also. I may have changed both of them out just to be sure. I don't know how much capacitance is here. I'll have to take a look. Yeah, I mean, you know, for it being an old board, and it may have had Toshibas in it at one time, and got changed over to HGs. It's got 4 gold ones, and 1 black one. HGs don't always blow to 10 ohms, so I don't know. Got a nice big, what is that, DM30, 40? I can't remember, but it's nice to have that in there. And we got to get the key circuit working and get some fans in it. Get this thing fired off and see how many watts it's doing, and let's see if we can get a little bit more 950 out of it. May not be able to. It just may not happen, just for the very reason that it's got the big transformers in it. I already see 1 turn too many. 3 turns. Should be 2. I'm not knocking anything. That's probably the way it always was, you know. Probably had Toshibas in it, so I mean, that's fine. Turn's going to have to come out, and that will probably bring the power up a little bit. All right. So I'm not saying I can do a little more, but you know, a couple of changes, maybe so. We'll just have to see. Looked like it was done a while back, and like I say, it looks like it had some used board was sent in with some mobile amp, or maybe an amplifier had iron core transformers in it, and it was just simply converted over into this box. Everything looks like it's done real nice, so I have no problems at all. It's braided. I don't braid it, but you know what? Braiding looks nice. I don't do it myself. I only don't do it because I'm lazy. Oh, Lord. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, all in all, it's sweet. Alright, so this shouldn't be too much of a problem. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to see if this thing keys up, see just what it's doing. Now and just a few little things. Yeah, they can be up and running. And again, like I say, Joe, you will be done today. And hope I get this one done today or tomorrow. Get it sent out here at the same time Joe's goes. And I got a 2x8 mobile, and like I say, yeah, 2x8 mobile, and I got to build a 2-pill in an old used cabinet with the 2290s that were in that Dave made configuration. But yeah, so let me say 73s, y'all. Let me get to work. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Stay safe from the pandemic. I know a lot of y'all don't like wearing masks, but you know what? I don't either. But I don't want to get sick either. So, I mean, personal choice, I guess. But right now, the United States has the most coronavirus cases in the whole world. So we're not doing something right here. I'll catch y'all later. 73s. You know who it is. It's Cell Block 6 in Alley Cat Town, Alabama. Fat Cat Amps, and I'm gone. Y'all be safe.